What is up, everybody? Rez back here again, and today we got a special, it's kind of a special project, but it's just something that I want to do just because I've never had it before on my EVO, and that is I'm going to be flipping my open wastegate from aiming down, which you can see like right down there. From aiming down, I want it to aim up out the hood. It's just something that I want. I'm just going to run it like that for a little bit, see how I like it. Might as well, I already have it, so that's what we're gonna do. From my knowledge, all I need to really do is take the heat shield off, and then I'm gonna need to remove this piece right here, which is barely hanging in there, it looks, and then cut a hole in the vents and everything should be good. But let's get to it. That's today's video. So right off the bat, it's a 12, on the bolt for the heat shield is a 12. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that really quickly. Luckily, all these are coming off pretty easily. From what I'm being told, this is a very easy job to do. So, knock on wood on that, but so far, these bolts off. I believe there's one more, it's right there. We're not going to be able to use this big one, this 1/2-inch socket with this 1/2-inch ratchet, so get back in a little bit. Just like that, we took the heat shield off. This needs, I need a new one of these, exhaust manifold. But now just to see, I'm pretty sure it's just right here, and then we flip her around and it should be good. Hopefully that's the case. Hopefully. Let's get many years later, like SpongeBob guy always says, we're different place and everything. I'm at Musgrove's house. Say what's up. What's up? We finally got this trash out. Here it is, the wastegate. There's the dump tube, and we're gonna. Now comes the fun part on trying to flip it around. It was a pain in the butt, but we're we're like halfway done. Hopefully, it's easier to put back in. So. Famous last words. Let's freaking get this shit done. One step forward and like a million steps backwards. So we got the wastegate back on, hand tight, but I dropped one of the bolts. So right now we have it on there. We're actually using the VLAN clamp for the dump tube out instead of the actual wastegate one. So Musgrove is down here looking for the actual nut that goes at the end of that, which is a pain in the butt. This was definitely not worth it, but hopefully when we see those flames coming out the hood, it'll be worth it. But for now, would not recommend. Now we're going ahead and cleaning this dump tube since it's now going to be visible to the world. We gotta clean it off. What is that, WD-40?
Yeah, WD-40 degreaser.
Yeah, lather it up, Musgrove. Up and down. Don't get it too excited.
Oh.
Yeah, you look like you know your way around a pipe. So hopefully we can get it a lot cleaner than this. But
Could hit it with some sandpaper.
yeah, some light grit.
Yeah, like 2000.
Yeah. After a lot of struggling, we finally got it in there. Here's what it's looking like, sneak peek. But now we just got to get the wastegate connected.
What'd you say it looked like?
What? I said it's looking good.
Oh, they said it looked like a peep.
No, I said sneak peek. It's not shaped like a duck, a rabbit. But we'll get this thing on, and then it was horrible. Hopefully it's worth it. I think it will be, but here's a little washer. But next is going to be cutting the hood. Make sure it fits right. We got it, and here's what it looks like. Bam. I think the pipe might be a little bit too long, but I don't care. Looking like one of them diesel trucks. But now we're going to go for a rip. Hopefully we can see some flames. Take Musgrove out on a ride for helping out and dealing with all this shenanigans. So let's go. All right, so we're about to do a pull, and then we're gonna see if the flames come out the hood. So aim it out the front, aim the camera out the front, and here we go. You can barely see it, but it's there.
Oh, it's there.
Definitely worth it now that it's done.
Screaming.
Yeah. Way louder now.
Oh, yeah.
Way louder. Alright, so I'd say that was definitely worth it after that pull. It's way louder. You can see the flames coming out the top, so I definitely love it, being as extra as possible. Musgrove, what are your opinions on it?
Worth it.
Definitely. What does it make? Does it make you want a hood exit?
Oh, I'm just taking the hood off and we're fucking, yeah, going straight open.
Alright, so see you guys next week. You guys know what to do already. Always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out. Out of here.
Yeah, feel me. I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow.